The columns at Mastercraft Jewelers were slated for a significant update. The project's initial assessment determined the need for new exterior insulation and finish system stucco. The primary goal was to ensure this new application would match the existing upper stucco as closely as possible, creating a unified appearance across the building. Work commenced by applying a specialized material to the bottom portions of the columns, situated over a robust cement board. This crucial step completely sealed the area, providing comprehensive protection against water. Next, foam boards were carefully attached. These boards had V-shaped grooves carved into them, and their strategic placement was designed to make the lower wall sections mirror the intricate design of the wall's upper part. The completed columns at Mastercraft Jewelers stand as a testament to craftsmanship. The new exterior insulation and finish system stucco successfully achieved the desired match with the existing structure, enhancing the building's overall aesthetic and contributing to its long-term durability. The client expressed great satisfaction with the masterful transformation.